Boolean string methods were interesting because they could test and tell us if something was upper, lower, or maybe even capitalized. So now we have the string format methods, and they're going to actually help us change a string into uppercase or lowercase or title case, etc. So let's take a look at the string format method. So the format methods allow us to actually alter the string. So we have a hard-coded string right here, a literal string, and we're going to use the lower command, and that should change the uppercase letters to lower. So let's run that. So we see, yep, everything's lowercase now. Let's try to yell it. And the upper method puts it to all caps. And we can also use the capitalize. And capitalize will capitalize a word or a sentence with the first word or the first letter in the sentence. And so you can see here that the title, Miss, is now capitalized, but there may be an unintended consequence. So when you're using this in a sentence, that every word is not capitalized, just the first word, and it doesn't keep the old cases. It puts everything else following it to lowercase. And so that can be useful, especially for single words, but title is maybe more interesting, and we have title below for this print time to save your code. And title, it looks like a book title, and every word gets capitalized. So time to save your code. And then there is swapcase, which can be useful at times, but it's more, I think, fun than use case. And so you can see I get the opposite. All lowercase becomes all uppercase, and capitalized words become uppercase with the first word lowercase. So using string format methods, we can alter strings to be all uppercase, all lowercase, title case, etc., and it can be very useful in our programs.